Hey friend, it's Marika, and I am excited to chat with you about how to create a great image for your Facebook ad. A photo that pops really gets people to stop and spend some time with you and your ad. And the good news? You don't need to spend a fortune on a photo shoot or film crew. A great image for your ad might be on your desktop or in your phone's camera right now. Images of your business and your unique products or services are often the perfect way to show the world what you do best. If you own a cozy eatery, show me a meal I can't wait to eat. Are you a pet groomer? Show me a photo of a puppy in the middle of the best blow dry of its life. I mean, how could I possibly scroll past that? Facebook also has a whole library of high-quality stock images you can use in your ad. How much does that cost? Nothing. Can't beat that price. So between your photos and Facebook stock images, you've got some great options. One tip here, and forgive me for stating the obvious, but if your restaurant serves Chinese food, make sure your image isn't of, say, Italian food. Or if you have a pet grooming service, an image of someone deep in meditation might make me feel more relaxed, but it won't help me understand why I should use your grooming service. People want to know what your business does and what you have to offer. When you create an ad, Facebook might suggest you use a photo already on your page. If it's the right photo for what you want to advertise, awesome. Facebook just saved you a step. But if you have a taco truck and want to show off your chicken chipotle tacos, and Facebook suggests an image of the street corner where your truck is, that might not be the best choice for this particular promotion, so just change it. Or let's say you own a bridal shop and you want everyone to know about some new dresses you just got in. A great photo of the dresses, lots of light, good composition, uncluttered background would be ideal. People will see exactly what's for sale. If the dresses haven't arrived yet, but you want to promote them now, a Facebook stock image of wedding dresses might work too. When your ad grabs people's attention, it could lead to new customers and sales. A great image and the time and attention it earns from your audience can help you get there. For more on how to get the most out of ads on Facebook, stick with me and check out our other Blueprint content. And keep learning.